Good morning, everyone. Hello.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Everybody has completed this revision work.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. If you have completed, then today we are going to discuss first these question answers. Clear? Open your books.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम ये रीजन वर्क रफ कॉपी में करना था.
No, no, beta. In your notebook.
ओके मैम.
In your SST notebook. Have you all completed? Okay. So now you will check your answers. First question. First question is, who was the last Viceroy of India?
Lord Mountbatten.
Yes,
Mountbatten.
yes,
Lord Mountbatten.
good, good. If you have written Lord Mountbatten, then it's good. If you have not written Lord Mountbatten, then please do the correction. Do the correction. Lord Mountbatten will be the correct answer. Second, medieval period of, medieval period was, medieval period
Ma'am,
was
none.
None of the above.
None, ma'am.
none of the above. Very good. None of the above.
Above.
C will be correct one. That is, old period is ancient history. Period associated with the growth of all forces of modernity is the modern history. So we are talking about the medieval eras. Then we will none of the above is there. Then the British thought surveys were important for,
Effective
Effective
administrative.
administration.
yes, effective administration. Good. So here also C will be the correct answer. Next is,
All of the above. All above. All of above.
wait a second. Yes, Bhavesh and Dushyant are attending the class. Wait a second. Yes, now fourth one. The British preserve official documents because why the
All of above.
yes, all
All
the
of the
above.
above.
Yes, good. This will be the correct answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
have you marked my attendance?
Whose attendance? Nandini.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me see. Yes, Nandini's attendance is marked. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is, which one of the sources historians use in writing about the last 250 years? Yes, last
Official
250 years.
record of British
About the British
administration.
administration.
Very good. So answer B will be the official records of the British administration will be the correct answer. If you have written correct answer, it's good. If you have not marked correct answers, so you can write down with the pencil over there. एक कट लगा करके वहां पर पेंसिल से करेक्ट आंसर लिख लेना, ठीक है, in your notebooks. And this you have to do in the SST notebook. Now, which of the following is not the period of division of Indian history by James Mill? James,
Sick.
Six.
Six.
very good.
Sick, ma'am.
Yes, Sikh was not the division given by James Mill. So this will be the correct answer. Next, which is not the source of describing history?
Conversation between two
Conversation
people.
between two people.
Very good. Conversation between two people. Otherwise, accounts of pilgrims and travelers is also the source of history. Autobiographies and diaries of the people are sources of the history. Clear? Next is the archives of India came up in,
1920s.
1920.
yes, 1920s. Good. So this will be B. Next, fill in the blanks. Dash was the first Governor General of India. Dash was the
Warren
first.
Hastings.
Warren Hastings.
Warren Hastings.
Yes, Warren Hastings was the first Governor General of India. The scholars who write histories are called as
Historian.
Historians.
historians. Yes, historians will be the correct answer. D. Next, the earlier period of history is known as
Ancient.
Ancient.
ancient. Good. The next, Dash is an expert in writing documents with beautiful handwriting.
Calligraphist.
Calligraphist.
Very good. Calligraphist. Then next is Dash was Scottish economist and political leader.
James Mill.
James Mill.
Yes. Sorry. Yes.
James Mill.
A. James Mill. Clear? Next, clear. Everything is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Then coming to Lawrence was the prominent viceroy of India.
True.
True. True,
Yes.
ma'am.
True? Sure, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then this will be true. This is true. The next is Curzon was the Governor General of India.
True.
True, ma'am.
Yes, this
True,
is
ma'am.
good. Very good. This is also true. And James Mill published the newspaper in 19.
False, ma'am. False.
Yes, he published
It's
what?
false.
A book, a massive 3-volume book.
Yes, a 3-volume book. That this is false. Now, we need to divide history into different periods.
True, ma'am.
True.
It's true.
Yes, this is true. We need to divide history into different periods. Then the British came to India to know about the great culture.
False.
Yes, ma'am.
So why did Britishers came to India?
To conquer
To
India.
rule
Trade.
India.
Yes, to rule India, or we can say first of all they came as traders to trade with India. Anna, to trade with India. Then next is history deals with changes that occur over a time.
True, ma'am.
Yes, this is also true. Then James will divide Indian history into 3 periods.
True, ma'am.
True.
Yes,
It's
this
true.
is- okay, fine. So that means everybody has done the work and you are aware about all these question and answers. These are the MCQs form. Clear? So prepare yourself nicely for periodic test and don't depend on these only. Revision work, revision test पे depend ना रहना. Clear? ये भी learn करना, but inside of the lesson also can also come. Clear? Am I clear
Yes,
now? Okay, fine.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Now for today, geography. Today we'll take geography revision. So this is clear. I'm stop means I'm not stopping to share this video now. Next. Now this is the next revision work. Revision work of geography. You can start your work. Now this, listen now. Listen to me. How to do this?
In the same way as history.
No, listen. First you write down revision work class 8th geography. And just now only we will do in live class this revision work. ये रिवीजन वर्क हम अभी लाइव क्लास में करेंगे. Yes, Saturday the power supply was off in my area. That is why I had given you the revision work to do at home. है ना? अब ये जो revision work है, we will do it in the live classes just now only. So, have you written revision work geography? Lesson number 1?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, start. Revision work geography. This is going to be revision work 2. And geography lesson 1 will be this.
Ma'am, start.
Okay, fine, wait. Okay, now all are ready?
Yes,
All are ready? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen how to do this work. You will not speak anything. You will not speak anything. You will mute your mics, clear? Then I will repeat the question. You will write down only the answers in your notebook. Answer 1, answer 2, answer 3. अब इसमें सिर्फ आप आंसर लिखोगे नोटबुक में. Clear? As soon as you will write down the answer, then I will take anybody's name and I will ask you which answer you have written. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Okay, fine. And anytime I will ask to show your notebook also. Okay? कभी भी मैं नोटबुक दिखाने को बोल सकती हूँ कि आपने आंसर लिखा नोटबुक में कि नहीं लिखा. Now, first, which of these have some utility? Water. Utility means usefulness. Utility means usefulness. So, which of these have some utility? Water, electricity, vegetables, or all of these? Answer written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, those who are written, raise your hand up. Those who have written the answer, raise your hand up. Okay. So first, Priyanshi Sankla. First answer Priyanshi Sankla will get. Yes, Priyanshi?
All of these, ma'am.
All of these. Good. So answer will be all of these. All have the usefulness, usability or utility. Clear? So the first answer will be all of these. If you have written all of these, then it is the correct answer. Clear? Next question. Which of these have an economic value? Which of these has an economic value? Write down answer. Landscape, home remedies, metals, or none of these. Which has the economic value? Yes, Dushyant? Dushyant? Show me your notebook. If you can.
I am writing.
Okay, then why you raise your hand up? The one who has written. Kanishka, yes. Show me your notebook, Kanishka.
Yes, ma'am.
And which answer you have written?
Metals.
Very good. The answer will be metals. Kanishka, show me your notebook. You have written metals there? Yes, good. Next is third, resources are distributed unequally over the earth because of? Yes, Bhavesh. Have you written, Bhavesh?
No, ma'am, answer third likh raha hu.
Then, without writing, nobody is going to raise their hand up. Nadia, yes?
Ma'am, written.
How? Which answer is correct? Which option is correct? Resources are distributed.
All of these.
Third one will be what? Resources are distributed
All of these.
unequally over the earth because
All of these.
anybody else?
Ma'am, I.
There are different natural conditions.
Yes.
Ma'am, the
different-
natural conditions.
Yes.
Even.
A will be correct one. Different natural conditions. Because of different natural conditions, only because climatic conditions are somewhere different, somewhere terrain, relief features are different. Clear? So these all means helps in the distribution of the resources unequally over the earth. Clear? Then next is resources drawn from nature and used without much modification or code. Yes,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, natural resources.
Very good. Natural resources. natural resources. Next, give an example of biotech resource. Biotech, you know, na? Biotech and abiotic you have read. So, which is the example of biotech resource? Rock, minerals, soil, or animals? Yes, Kanishka.
Ma'am, animal.
Arnav, you
Ma'am,
have
animal.
Arnav,
Animal.
animals.
Animals.
Yes, animals.
Animals.
Yes, animals will be the correct answer. Clear? Okay, next, coal is an example of. Coal is an example of.
Renewable resources.
Renewable sources.
Who are telling renewable resources?
Non-renewable.
It will be non-renewable resource.
Non-renewable resources.
Yes, it is non-renewable resource. Charul, can you show me a notebook? Charul, can you show me a notebook? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, show me if you have written.
Answer 7. Technology is example of human-made resource.
Wait. Dushyant is giving the answer? Okay. Then Dushyant, you also show me a notebook if you have written technology is an example of.
Human-made resources.
Yes, human-made resources. Now both of Charul, show me a notebook. I'm not able to see a
Yes,
notebook.
ma'am.
Priyanshi Sakla is written good, very good. Priyanshi, a little bit neat handwriting I want, beta. Yes, Dushyant, you can show me a notebook. Yes, Charul, I've seen. Good. Dushyant, I'm not able to. What happened?
माइक मैम कैमरा फ्लिप नहीं हो रहा.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. No problem. You have written now? It's okay. Okay, fine. No problem if you are not able to show me a video. Don't take tension. But you have to do the work in the notebook, okay? Then technology is example of. Dushyant has just now given the
Human-made resources.
human-made resources, yes. Now next is resources are carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called. Resources used to
Resource conservation.
depletion means to cut depletion.
Resource conservation.
Answer will be resource conservation.
Resource conservation.
कंजर्वेशन कंजर्व करना, उसको एक तरीके से प्रोटेक्ट करके रखना, ठीक है ना? दैट इज resources are used carefully and giving them time to renew is called resource conservation. Okay, next, balancing the needs to use resources and also conserve them for future generation is called
Sustainable development.
Ocean develop.
okay, Bhavesh. Yes, Priyanshi, Zoya Qureshi and Zoya Ansari. You are doing the in the notebook, Zoya Qureshi.
9th का all of these है ना?
9th का बेटा sustainable development, balancing the needs. This is the definition given in your book only. Balancing the needs to use resources and can conserve them for future generation is called sustainable development. ये आपका ऐसा का ऐसा sentence दिया है book में. ये Zoya Qureshi is there. Zoya, are you doing the work? Nandini, have you completed till question number 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then 10th, which one of the following does not make a substance or resource? Which one of the following does not?
Value.
Huh?
Value.
Value, ma'am.
Which one of the following does not make substance or resource? Utility and value. ये तो नहीं, ये तो resource बनाते हैं ना, उसकी valuability
Quantity.
Quantity.
Quantity, ma'am, quantity.
Quantity will be the answer. That does not make resource, substance or resource. Clear? Next is, which one of the following is a human-made resource?
Medicines to treat cancer.
Yes.
Medicines to treat cancer.
Good. Medicines to treat cancer. This was from the book only. Back answer question. Next question number 12. Non-renewable resources are.
Those which have limited
Those who
stock.
have limited
Which
stock.
have limited
Those
stock.
which have limited stock.
Those who have limited stock.
Very good, very good. Yes, Arnav, have you completed in your notebook?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you show me your notebook, Arnav? If no problem is there.
ma'am, can I show you, ma'am?
Yes. Nandini wants to show me. Nandini can show.
Yes.
The one who wants to show me, you can show me. Yes, Nandini is showing the book, notebook. Good. Okay. How many answers you have written, Nandini? Till 12th.
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay, okay. Yes, till 12th.
Ma'am,
Anybody
I
else?
have written
Good, good. I have seen that. I have seen. So, anybody else want to show me the notebook? Okay, now coming to true and false. 13th, non-renewable resources have unlimited stock.
False.
false.
False. False. Just now we have read now. We have limited stock. So this will be false. Here, false. Next, solar and wind energy is an example of renewable resource.
True.
True, ma'am. True.
True, ma'am.
Yes, true. Solar and wind energy is an example of renewable resource. That is true. Okay. Next, resources are equally distributed all over the.
False.
Okay, false. Means we can say now from these questions that any way you can be asked the same questions. True and false में देखो ये स्टेप से पूछा है and मैंने यहाँ पर MCQs में अलग तरीके से पूछा है. Yes or no? So questions
Yes,
can be
ma'am.
asked in different ways. अलग-अलग ways में question same पूछे जा सकते हैं. Now fill in the blanks. Anything that is used to satisfy a need is called a.
Resource.
Resource.
Very good.
Resource.
Very good. It is a resource. Next, dash is the application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things.
Technology.
Good. Technology. 17th, C option will be correct. Technology. Then 18th, all resources have some
Ma'am.
Value.
Value, ma'am.
value. All resources have some
Value.
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 Value will be the correct answer. सब रिसोर्सेज के कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू इंपॉर्टेंस होती है.
Time and
Time and-
technology. Technology.
Time and technology.
Yes,
Technology.
I'm in technology.
yes, here technology will come. Time and technology are two important factors that can change substance into resource.
Education and health.
Education.
Education.
Very good. Education and health help in making a people a valuable resource. I hope this you have enjoyed this revision work today.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Saturday also we would have done the same way, but due to electricity failure, we were not able to do in this manner. So, geography is completed. Now, civics remaining. Yes or no? A history lesson is completed. Geography completed as a revision work. Now, civics is remaining. So, for tomorrow is your class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then tomorrow we are going to do the revision work of civics. Prepare civics lesson 1 nicely.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes, anybody wants to ask anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आप ये जो आपने लिया है ना
हाँ जी.
टेस्ट उसका मैम पीडीएफ भेजोगे मैम?
No, I will not give you PDF, any PDF, but this live content will be uploaded on student portal.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है ना, ये जो मैंने बताया जैसे समझाया ना, ये स्टूडेंट पोर्टल पे अवेलेबल रहेगा.
ओके मैम.
And PDF of civics lesson 2 was given to you.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. take your own time and try to complete that work also in notebook. Clear? And
ma'am.
prepare civics lesson number 1 for revision work. So
मैम
that
गूगल फॉर्म पे हमारा टेस्ट कब होगा?
हाँ, Google Form पे we have to decide one day in which we can take the test on Google Form link of all the 3 lessons, history lesson 1, geography lesson 1 and civics lesson 1. और वो Google Form पे we have to decide which date, and after the classes only I am going to take after 12 o'clock. 12 बजे के बाद में ये टेस्ट लूंगी. Okay?
ओके मैम.
So we will decide.
Okay, ma'am.
First tomorrow we will take this civics revision work, and then after civics we will decide a day, and I will tell you, let you know, and on the same day I will give you the link also for that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Okay, ma'am.
So that's all for today. I hope everything you have understood nicely.